Hello everybody, today's video is different because I will make this video as my individual assignment for construction drawing subject. So I will introduce myself first. I am Soyujin, come from UTSM BBC, a year 1 student. So today I will draw a 3D model in AutoCAD 2022. So I will make this object in AutoCAD. So I hope you can watch this video properly to understand the 3D modeling concept. You can also search this channel in YouTube because he's the best channel. He will teach you a lot about his experience in AutoCAD and you can learn from him a lot blah. So I put it in description. Okay, let's start now. Go to AutoCAD first, open a new page and use the setting 3D modeling. Okay, great. And now you need to change the unset view to SE isometric. Okay, you can see like this, and you need type UCS icon. Okay, click and turn in no origin. So like it. Now it's Z, Y, X. You can see like this. So now you need to draw two circles. One is it and one is it. 24 diameter and 42 diameter, 36 diameter and 64 diameter, and a line about 100 millimeter. So that's a goal now. Use the circle, center diameter, type about 24, right? Enter. And okay, and a center again. 42, enter, and a line we draw from center, the center here. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, so 100, enter. So become like this. Enter first and draw two circles again. Center 36, right? If I no mistake. 36 and 64. Okay. And one circle again. 64. Enter. So now we need to draw this shape. So this what this come from east, right? So you draw two lines. So from here use tangent. Okay, line from tangent to hit tangent. Okay, enter. Line again from here to here. Okay, enter. So now we need to erase it line first. So we select it. We select it and type erase. Okay, this line is disappear. So now we need to put this sign up first. So about 12, right? So, and this one is 24 and this one is 36. So how do we do? So we use this function, push pull. Click here, bold area, click and select 12. Enter. This also 24. Enter. And this also 36. Enter. So you become is listed. Use press pull. Type here 12. Enter. 24. Enter. 36. Enter. Okay. Now we need to see in it from 3D looks. How we do? We click here 2D wireframe and select it, shape with E. So you can see this, right? So now we need to draw this. This is for 47, right? 100 minus half of 64, so we'll get 32, and this one is 21. So 100 minus 21 and 32, you will get 47. So here is 36 minus 12, you will get 24. So here also 24 minus 12, you get 12. So in we need to draw from right UCS icon first. Okay, like this. So if you don't want to see this line, you just click here, modern. So this line will disappear. So now you draw a line here. 12. Enter. 47. 47. Enter. And 24, right? 24. Enter. And combine it. Enter. So you get this. So now we use press pull again. Like here to change. It's well, what 12 light. So we select 12 type. Okay. So now we need to combine it at here. So what we need to do, you move, select object and enter, select this point and combine it here. Okay, great. Right, you can see first, right? So this line we don't need, so select erase, erase. Okay, like this. Now we need to open it because you can see this, right? Is some mistake, some area cosine again. So we need to full it first. So we need to press pull and select it. Okay, like this. So this also cancel first and move. Cancel first and move it. Orbit it. Okay. Nice one. Copy it, right? Okay. You can see this, right? You jump. You press pull and select this area. Okay. Enter. Right. You can see this, right? So now we click. We move again. So C is S is isometric. Enter. You become like this. So now all you need to do, we need to combine it first. So how do we do? Use this solid union and select all, enter. So you become an object, right? Now what we need to do, okay, you can see, right? So we have done it. So we need to change its grid second and left mountain and select this, change the color, okay, enter. So you can see like this, right? Done. We have done it. Okay, you can see also my previous works. I open it, this one and this one. Okay, this is my previous work. Right, so now that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. So thank you.